I'll be okay. But I'm confused because it's Friday and I got Monday on my mind.
Which is weird because I wish I could float back in time. That my clock could end up like a VCR, rewind, go bring us back to the wine. Oh, you looked so divine. It was so unusual to see an embodiment of stars right in front of me. Or at least as far as I could see, she was shining. Because how could I forget pretty brown eyes, soft lips, and a nose ring, glaring at you and breaking focus every so often. Because if I don't, I'll just soften, rearrange the freckles on your face, only so I could put them back in the same goddamn place.
Remember when we were young and afraid to love? Passed notes, giggled at each other and stared. Had real innocent infatuation, the kind of crush that made you get in trouble.
However, the anticipation ruled me. I've never been one for rules though, so what's that mean? And a main course, and maybe you'll get something sweet. Cooking up my thoughts and doing this every day. Just trying to not end up in the streets. Just a bitch from the art scene. Some say I act kinda gay. XOX, you know my real name.